Bawa, jangan kemana? Tunggu, tunggu. Saya orang atas belum duduk rumah. Tuh.
In the beginning, there was the land. It's all you can see. It's all you cannot see. Source of life, of the fertile earth. And the heavens, source of life and light, and the measure of our horizons. Out of the waters, life. Out of the trees, life. Forms of life born of the land. Rising out of earth, lifting, transforming into wings. And from depths of ocean, islands, symmetry of this creation, and wings over the tides, mighty surge over the reef's shoulders, abundance flowing. The land became Vanua, mother of us. We're not ready to forget this thread of ourself, weaving within and about us. Our people have made this land home for the last 3,500 years. It takes a great deal of humanity to bring a Vanua into being. Our ancestor gods once went to war over the killing of a bird. It stood for the Vanua. When gods stoop to sterile power, they bring a rebellion to their gates. War transformed into art, the beauty of the weapons, the dance, the arts of making the land abundant. We have courted the might and dreams of those who have come among us in the last 200 years. Old gods give way to the new. Traders, missionaries in tall ships. Wave on wave they came to lead us into other worlds, gather us into new communities. Our lives are only a flicker, but we will, in this little time, in this little space, learn to grow. Our colonial masters, you came to rule over us. We believed in your word and we accepted them. This eye of day was our great burning disk of time, its leisured tempo hitched to the time of the tide. But you brought your mighty ticking towers to rule over our hearts, to be the measure, the discipline of our lives. Out of the past, our legends live on. On the western cliffs of the island of Vatulele, you will find a series of mysterious petroglyphs. With them comes a story of unrequited love. A young chief came to Vatulele from the main island of Itileu. He sought the hand in marriage of a high-born princess who had rejected the many suitors before him. He crossed the sea and walked through the deep forest bearing his special gift, the tastiest prawns of the land. He came to a grotto and there presented his gift to the haughty princess. She cared not for the gift nor the man, and cast the creatures into the clear pool. As the prawns sank to the bottom, the unhappy suitor turned homewards, vowing that his gift would come to life again.
Ulangi may sara-sara. Ura-ura-ura. Ura-ura-ura. Ura-ura-ura-ura. Ura-ura-ura.
The red prawns of Vatulele will surface at the call of the village chief. From office and shelter and all manner of shades, in the marketplace with all manner of people, Ngona, kava, water for sharing, to welcome new friends, water to quench our thirst, that unity may blossom. Ngona, kava, wainivanua, water of the land, water for the stately investiture of the new chief. Life-giving water, life of the land. Ritual water for the creation and recreation of the Vanua. Covenant between chief and people. Drink this sacred cup, this stately, this ceremonial cup, that you and the Vanua over which you will now preside, that peace and plenty may greet young and old, the weak and the mighty alike, that the spirit may flow from the sacred stately ceremony to the thousand meeting bure across these islands.